Okay, so here's a quick does this even work video. This Jensen unit was installed in a Volkswagen Bug that I bought, and it didn't work in the car. It was mounted under the dash with this kind of cool housing, actually. Maybe this will find its way into another car one day because it gives you some flexibility to add a radio without cutting a dashboard, so that's good. But anyway, it didn't work. The guy definitely had some janky wiring going on because he was trying to run it all to like one speaker maybe. So we'll quickly wire this up to a power supply and a speaker I have here on the bench, and we'll see if it'll work at all. Let's see, what have we got? I should change the name of the channel to the crowded workbench. So antenna, that's an easy plug. For power, we want red and yellow both. So one is a constant power and one is switched, but for our use, they're both going to be grouped together. And then black is ground. So we'll start with that. Fuse and some sort of transformer setup. Filter fuse box. It was on an old Volkswagen Bug, so maybe they were trying to chase down some electrical noise. Or actually, it just looks like the Jensens just come with that, so new to me. I'll grab any speaker pair right now. So gray is right front positive and gray black is right front negative. So the two grays. Now we will give it power. Is it alive or is it dead? Zoom in a little bit. Well, got a clock. So it is alive. Is there a CD in it? All right, this is a working radio.
Pure Talk, you'll be switching to an American wireless company that's committed to keeping 100% of its customer service in this country. I appreciate that. In fact, that's why I switched.
So, does a CD player work? And this might be a bit of a mistake because I never even tried the CD. I just found it at a thrift store. But we'll test the CD and the CD player, and if nothing works, we won't know who to blame. Perfect for this kind of video. All right, well, there you go. Totally functioning old head unit. Should this find its way into one of my cars? Let me know if you'd like to see more content like this. I have more old stuff to test. It's always fun to see what works, what doesn't, what needs repair, and what's just irredeemable junk.